Addii Biotech Private Limited. Quality begins here. Addii Biotech focuses on adding value with a commitment to create better quality of life. It was the year 2010 when Addii Biotech started its journey as a marketing company with ethical operation in 15 states of India. Addii Biotech Private Limited is a WHO GMP certified pharmaceutical manufacturing company in a state of Himachal Pradesh, Baddi. The manufacturing unit is right in the lap of Himalayas with pollution-free environment. Addii Biotech makes a wide range of tablets, capsules and ointments. We are extremely focused on quality, complete compliance, 100% safety and efficiency. This is the goal that is kept in mind during manufacturing of products as well. We manufacture tablets, uncoated, film-coated, enteric-coated, bilayered and sustained release. Capsules, hard gelatin and external preparation like cream, gel and lotion. Making medicines is not just about chemistry. It is about a consistent commitment to innovation solution and process improvement. We own an extreme infrastructure that is set up with the most advanced concept for convenient delivery of our developed quality drugs. All pharmaceutical manufacturing activities are carried out as per the WHO GMP and international regulatory guidelines. Moreover, our utility area, quality control laboratory, packaging and shipping units are devised to regulate the goals and aspirations keeping in mind the standards of the industry. In quality control laboratory, the HPLCs are computer controlled, whereas other equipments like pH meter, conductivity meter, dissolution apparatus, UV spectrophotometers, etc. have digital display facility. Microbiology section has dedicated facility for microbial testing. Our infrastructure also comprises of Research and Development Center, where we carry out different researches to make sure that we deliver optimum quality products to our clients. Apart from this, we established our presence in key therapeutic areas like anti-diabetics, anti-hypertensive, antidepressants, antibiotics, gastroenterological, neurology, nephrology, autoimmune, pain management, general drugs and much more. The company has a well-defined self-inspection system through which all the manufacturing functions, quality control, quality assurance department, personnel and administration, control sample areas are audited. Self-inspection and quality audit is carried out with the objective to detect any shortcomings in the implementation of CGMP and recommending the necessary corrective actions. Apart from the domestic market, we have also taken our first step forward in international market by getting our plant approved from FDA Ghana in 2023 successfully. We have rapidly grown our export network and providing a wide range of products to millions of people across the country. We actively work to extend our presence in other emerging continents like Africa, Middle East, Latin America, South Asia markets and many more. Addii Biotech was introduced by a team of highly committed, dedicated and experienced pharmaceutical professionals under the visionary leadership and guidance of Honorable Managing Director Mr. Lalit Dogra, who always dreamt of serving the society by providing high-quality medicines. We have decided to come up with Beta Lactam antibiotics. The inauguration of our Beta Lactam unit will be in September 2023. We dream to capture significant market share all over India till 2030. Our mission is to be among top 100 pharmaceutical companies in India with strong overseas presence. If you're looking for a complete compliance and trustworthy pharmaceutical manufacturer in India, look no further than Addii Biotech.